Now notice that in this equation, the term e to the 2x is like saying e to the x times 2, which by the rules of indices is the same as e to the x the whole squared. Since a to the m the whole to the power n equals a to the m times n. This is the law that I'm using here. So what I can do is I can rewrite the given equation as e to the x the whole squared minus 3 times e to the x minus 40 equals 0. Now the good news is that this reminds or should remind you of a quadratic equation, because you have this term squared minus some number times the same term minus another number. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a substitution, and I'm going to say let y be equal to e to the x. Okay, now this makes my work a little easier because I can substitute e to the x as y. So I have y squared minus 3 times y minus 40 equals 0. Now I'm going to try to solve this equation. So try and find two factors which when you multiply you get negative 40, and when you add them you get negative 3. So 40 is, you can see that 8 times 5 gives you 40 and has a difference of 3, but because you have a negative 3, it's going to be negative 8 and positive 5, so that's negative 8. So this equation factors as y minus 8 times y plus 5 equals 0. So this could mean one of two things. Either y minus 8 is equal to 0 or y plus 5 is equal to 0. And that means on solving this equation that y is either equal to 8 or y is equal to negative 5. But remember that we had a substitution. Y was equal to e to the x. So this means that e to the x is equal to 8 or e to the x equals negative 5. Now an exponential function according to the rules can never be negative, so we completely disregard this answer. So e to the x cannot be negative 5. So the only possible answer is that e to the x is equal to 8. Now if e to the x equals 8, what does that mean for x? I can take natural log on both the sides. So I have natural log e to the x is equal to natural log of 8. Natural log and e cancel each other out. So what I'm left with is just the answer, which is x is equal to natural log of 8.